Hello everyone, in this video I'll tell you how to put music to your WhatsApp status on an iPhone. So what you're gonna do is step 1, open your WhatsApp and go to update section below the first option on the left hand side and start selecting photo to upload a status, right? So I'm gonna select a random picture from here or my gallery. Basically I'm selecting one of my picture with my friends and I'm gonna select it, and here you see options above on top right hand side corner and you see icon of music. You click on that, the first option basically from left hand side, and you select the music, the song which you want to. You can just search it directly, write any particular thing, like I have typed tune, English tune. I will get some options related to that. I can hear it right away by tapping on it on the left hand side and listening to it. Once I'm sure that this song will suit my picture, I'm gonna select it by clicking on the arrow, right? So that's how we do it. But if you want to remove it, what you can do is you're gonna click on the delete option on left hand side corner while you're selecting before clicking on the done option, right? You can select the portion of the song. You can change the song right away by clicking on that song icon in the center on top area, and if you're done, then you can click on done. If you have selected, you can take enough time to understand which song suits your picture and select the portion. It will be for 15 seconds only. So this features allow 15 seconds of music on your status, and once you're done, you can just directly upload your status. It's preparing right now and I'm waiting for this to see, and that's how we use music feature on our WhatsApp status. Very easy and interesting. It's like one of the Instagram features. So yeah, that's how we do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da!